Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy yogurt. Begin by gently heating your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This crucial step helps denature the milk proteins, creating a much thicker and smoother yogurt. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching, ensuring an even temperature throughout the process. Once the milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature is ideal for the beneficial bacteria in your starter. Now, gently whisk in about 2 tablespoons of a good quality live yogurt starter. Ensure it's fully incorporated for consistent fermentation. Carefully pour your cultured milk into clean, sterilized jars or a yogurt maker. Maintain a consistent temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius for the incubation period. This can be done in a yogurt maker, an oven with the light on, or an insulated cooler. Allow it to ferment for 6 to 12 hours, depending on how tangy you prefer your yogurt. After incubation, transfer your freshly made yogurt to the refrigerator. Chill it for at least 4 hours. This step is essential as it halts the fermentation process and allows the yogurt to thicken further, achieving that perfect creamy consistency. Once thoroughly chilled, your delicious homemade creamy yogurt is ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.